All right, guys, so here we are again. I got the band out of the case, and I'm gonna attempt to attach it to my Apple Watch. I thought you guys might want to see that. So here it goes. I'm gonna grab the Apple Watch. It looks like it's on either side. We have either side of it here. Hold on one second. Let me see if I can adjust my camera so that you guys can see me as I try to attach it. Okay, that should work. All right, here's the Apple Watch. Let me attempt to attach this now. So I'm gonna take this one first as a clip on the side. It says, to attach the band, slide in until you hear a click. So here's my Apple Watch. I am going to slide it in until I hear a click. Didn't hear a click, so maybe I put it on the wrong side. Hold on. Let's try it again. Maybe I'm facing it the wrong way. Let's see. That's probably it. I'm probably having it in the wrong way. Oh, there's a click. I just heard it. Now I'm gonna do the other side until I hear a click. There it goes. And now it won't come off. So that works. So now they're in tight. And it says here, if I want to remove the bands, all I have to do is to press the button. I don't know if you see it. There's a button on the back of it. It's right here, one next to this side, and right here. And you're just going to press the button. And then it slides out. And that's how it works on both sides. And you do hear the click every time you put it back in. So I just wanted to show you guys that. I'm going to attempt to start up this Apple Watch and see if it works. I chose the smaller band because I have small wrists. It's even labeled on the band. It says small, medium on the band. I think that's kind of neat because if I decide to throw this out, it's labeled. The bands are labeled, so they won't be confused. Like I won't be confused because it's labeled. All right, thanks guys. Gonna try now turn this on and figure out how to turn this on and keep you informed for the next video.